What's up, everybody? It's Young Cure with day 25 of the Fallout 4 Countdown Retrospective. We are 1/6 of the way through this countdown, people, only 25 more days to go. For today's Countdown Retrospective, I would like to take you back to July 13th, 2012. This would be the day when rumors regarding Fallout 4 would begin heating up. On that date, a Reddit user by the name of nMarauder posted information that practically confirmed Fallout 4's setting. Here is what nMarauder posted. I've been hearing reports from people in the Boston area, where my fellow Fallout-obsessed brother lives, that Bethesda has been in the Boston area doing initial research for Fallout 4. It's highly speculative, but the main rumors surround Bethesda's connection to the Institute, or what we call the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, or MIT. MIT, although in populated Cambridge and just across the river from Boston proper, still has a small town feel when it comes to the way news propagates through the community. It is students and staff at MIT that seem to be the ones talking most about it, and they would be in a position to know. I wouldn't be surprised at all if the rumors prove to be true in the coming weeks. Just thought I'd share. I'm not confirming anything, but all signs point to yes. And just like that, rumors began circulating the internet that Fallout 4 would take place in Boston, Massachusetts, that it would deal with the Commonwealth, and that it would somehow involve the Institute, an elusive organization whose headquarters resides in what used to be MIT that was introduced and briefly referenced in Fallout 3. This Reddit post was probably one of the few rumors that I wholeheartedly believed prior to Fallout 4's unveiling. From that day forth, to me, Fallout 4's location was pretty much confirmed to be Boston, Massachusetts, and I think that was the case for a lot of people. I also remember being very excited about the prospect of a Boston setting. There's a lot of history in Boston for Bethesda to explore, and I was especially thrilled about Bethesda getting the chance to flesh out the Institute, which was left rather open-ended in Fallout 3. What was your train of thought when you first heard of these rumors from nMarauder? Did you believe it? If so, were you excited about the Boston setting? What theories followed thereafter? Let us know in the comments below. And with that, I would like to end day 25 of the Fallout 4 Countdown Retrospective. Thank you for tuning in. To be further updated on Fallout 4, stay tuned right here on Young Yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Young out.